Oh man,
How much power are we adding to this?
all of it. Did you see my new rims?
No. Let's go check it out.
Look, Dean.
Ford stuff right here.
Look,
Oh, damn. What are you doing with all that power, dude?
getting ready for the Whipple this week.
The Whipple's coming this week? Okay, that's pretty cool. It's a nice fit right there, dude.
Took up all the gap.
All right.
$60
208.
Slow as fuck. Throwing a fucking tire. This thing has no power.
It's too much tire right now, dude. Let's put the stocks back on and see what happens.
I figure won't even spin the tire, Dean.
Something a little new and different for y'all. We're known for our GM stuff. Lately, we've been doing a lot more Ford and a lot more Dodges. On today's episode, we are going to do, I'm gonna call this our 800, I'm gonna plan on it being an 800 supercharged package for the new 5.0 Mustangs. So it's a 2021 Mustang. We're gonna do the new 3-liter Whipple. It's gonna have upgraded injectors, a little upgraded fuel pump on 93 octane. I think we added a bigger heat exchanger for it as well, but this is gonna be our perfect weekend toy for you guys out there with Mustangs that don't want to go over the ledge and go super crazy, that just want that extra 200, 300 horsepower just from bolting on simple mods. So I hope it makes what I'm expecting it to make, but we'll find out.
It's 713-466-9900.
Alrighty, I will send that to him. And what was your first and last name?
My name's William. I would like to thank Adrian and Rachel at O'Reilly's. They pull through all the time. They've been absolutely stellar. Scott at Mac Hike Chevy is a parts god. Always dependable, always does everything. Good people.
Dude, that is a big mother. Oh, he got way bigger.
Stephen touched his wiener. I swear. He reached under and touched him.
Way bigger.
I swear. Hey, I told him his job is to clean his pecker. He's like, what, are you scared? He reached down and grabbed it.
Alright, before y'all finish watching this video, please hit that like button, comment below, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.
Have a good weekend, bud.
Later, man. Justin's 21 Mustang for our 800 horsepower supercharged package. Let's see how far along we got. How close are we?
Not very.
Not very? Oh, heat exchanger's on. So, 3-liter Whipple, upgraded heat exchanger. Look how thick this thing is. Looks like they got the little water tank going on now. There's the water pump. So, top of the blower, I'm assuming outlet to the heat exchanger. And then through the heat exchanger, goes through there, cools it off, comes through here, and then should Y, and then come back to feed, I assume. Look at that. Sexy. It's a big 3-liter blower.
So, why is he making his brother work on
Gotta
his
have
car?
the best of the best.
Hey, so I missed. Hey, So I missed the test drive yesterday. Did y'all did y'all drag it?
Yeah, we did.
Hey, we tried to use the line lock. I don't know. Apply, brake firmly and hold to engage. Ah, started. But how do you apply the line lock? Oh, no, I think we're good.
Did you absolutely look like you had no idea what you're doing with your own car?
Yes. We got one point. Guess
Good job,
I
mean, did it spin?
No, it sounded like a broken axle. It made it something crunched in the back when I launched it.
Something crunched?
Ask him, dude. It sounded like every time I launch it, there's a crunch.
You heard something, right?
I think it's the axle.
Did you hear that?
Dude, Justin is the most paranoid person in the world. We baseline his car on the dyno when he first got it. The next day, man, y'all messed something up with my car. It just doesn't drive the same. Something's just not right. I'm like, we literally did nothing besides floor your car 3 times on the dyno. You were so paranoid. It's fine.
Yeah, I don't know.
You're definitely the wrong customer. I do not want you as a customer.
Did y'all put all the extra bolts in a bag? I got my O'Reilly's on the phone for you.
Shout out to ProCharger Superchargers.
But
for
I want to do an
A,
actual
putting up
real
with us,
sensor.
B,
They sell them. Like they just didn't sell it with their kids.
they really
Why
stepped
would
their
they
game up
not?
in terms of
Doesn't
production
make sense.
and added
It's
people
in their
and
website. It shows it.
added supply to actually meet demand. So it's one of those we don't have
I don't get
to
it.
wait
That's dumb.
16 weeks to get a supercharger. I think that's pretty cool. Good? Yeah. Nipple.
I'm not fill anything up. You got your boost reference right here for the old dynamometer.
Dynamometer?
Did it make you drill the
I told
intake?
Frankie to zip tie this. Huh?
Dynamami.
No, I had a plug in the back.
Oh, did?
Yeah, got a couple plugs.
The old
What's
one
his
used
name,
to have to
Justin?
drill the runners.
What do you think, Justin?
What do you think, Justin?
How's it look? Happy with how it looks?
What do you think, Justin?
We wished he had turbos.
Yeah. Can't blame him. You can't blame him.
You wish you had turbos? Big
I'm
enough?
over it now.
Tres litros? Tres litros?
Justin wanted the same setup as what Dan had.
He wanted Big Dick Daddy Dan set up.
Exactly.
We're starting off small. We'll sell this. Make
Well,
a
I mean,
profit.
he's equipped small, so that works.
Yeah, I can't believe it.
Small
doesn't
dicks
look that.
only, right? Small dicks only in this car.
I'm
getting in right now. I don't know. I'm
Put
gonna
it down,
shut
it
the
don't
hood.
hit nothing.
I'm gonna shut the hood in there.
Oh shit.
Now it should be open. so long, I'm like, I'm over it.
Tell me that.
Pretty excited now.
Over it. I'm over it.
Pretty fucking excited. It feels like it was naturally made to happen.
That's what I told you. That's
Kind
what
of
the
looks
kids
like,
look so clean.
kind of looks like an alien under the hood.
Oh, yeah. Fucking predator, bro.
Hey, the UPR catch can is what I would do next.
Yeah, we gotta do that with
To keep the oil out of the...
more boost, more fuel, oil pump gears, all that's coming.
I mean, it's pretty badass, honestly.
I think it looks
It
sick.
looks clean.
It does. That blower looks big, dude. Like it's
And
tall.
we did pull this, but I did see videos of people, but I don't want it on there.
Does it rub like the Maggie? It does.
It says to take it off, but I saw
So,
other shops.
just like the Maggie with the Maggie with the C7Z does the same thing.
Keep it on if you had a 2.9.
It must have been. I know it's pretty badass.
It looks good. This
Only other thing I want to add is the shocks, so the hood goes up high for car shows. That's what everybody does is the hood thing.
they make badass billet valve covers. You heard this plastic cover? Do they make anything that looks good?
I don't remember. I don't know.
I'm not a Ford guy.
If you look
I
in the
should know
bumper,
this.
you gotta show them the heat exchanger, Dean.
Can you even
You
see
can't
it?
see it. It's all black.
Can you see it?
That's what I like.
Oh yeah, it is. It's thick, dude. You got it during the build, didn't you?
Yeah.
Dude, it's like a big radiator, bro.
It's badass looking
Dude.
though.
So I said it's legit. If you can pick up 250 horsepower,
Watch when it picks up. It'll make 650 rear horsepower for both on a blower. That's sick.
that's what I'm saying. It should be a night and day difference.
The torque this thing's about to make is gonna make this thing that had no torque
What do you
before.
guys want to see?
He wants some of the CA. He wants to line up the CA.
After he lost to
What are you gonna bet on,
a
Dan?
truck,
Yes,
C8
he lost to like
C8
3.
versus this.
an 08 BMW.
Yeah, like legit, like on 6 pounds of booze. 6 pounds of booze first.
On the street.
Yeah,
Yeah.
we're getting it down, son.
He's gonna want to go try to put tires on when I got these
I'm
old.
putting tires.
I got these old little stocks on here.
No, you got your welds. I'm gonna put mine on. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Hit that subscribe button. Please give it a like, help that algorithm out. Comment below. This was our stage 1 video of the Mustang build. Next video, we'll show it dynoing and street driving. So predict what y'all think horsepower numbers will be. Comment below. Till next time, guys.
Summit Racing always pulls through. I don't know.
All
They
to
do
the
everything
good.
online. They get everything the very next day. I want to overnight something. It's like $12. I can overnight a clutch. I can overnight headers. Whatever. It's like $12 for a box like this big.